Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. My request to you, please subscribe this channel and share this video in your friend circle. This video is the last video of lesson 1, real numbers. In this lesson, there are 4 exercises. Exercise 1.1, exercise 1.2, exercise 1.3 and exercise 1.4. You know that practice makes a perfect man. So you revise this exercise one time each and every month, because if you do not revise, then you will be forget. So revision is very important for you. Now come to the left questions. Okay, question number 2 of question 1. 17 by 8. Now see, 17 is a prime number and 8 is a co-prime. So HCF of prime number and co-prime number is 1. Therefore 17 by 8 is also a simplest form. Okay, so now here Q is equal to 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 0, because 5 to the power, the value of 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now this is the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So the decimal expression of this number is terminating. Okay, terminating decimal. Question number 3. 64 by 455. Now also find, first check this rational number is in simplest form or not. This is the simple method. Find HCF of this number. Okay, now HCF of this number 64 divided by 455, 6 7 are 42, 7 times, then 8 4 4 7. Okay, now again 64 is divided by 7, 7 9 is 63, remainder 1, 7 is divided by 1 in 7 times 7, remainder 0. Therefore HCF is 1. So this rational number is also in a simplest form. Now here Q is equal to 455. Getting prime factorization. Find prime factorization. 455 by divided by 5. 4 9 55 4 1 7 7 1 7 7 3 21 is equal to 5 into 7 into 13. This is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So 64 by 455 is not terminating. Okay, this is non-terminating decimal, repeating decimal. Okay, question number 4. 15 by 1600. 15 by 1600. When I find HCF of this number, then the HCF of 15 and 1600 is equal to 5. So I divide 15 by 5. 5 3 15, 5 3 15, 5 to 10 0. Okay, is equal to 3 by 322. Here Q is equal to 320. Find prime factorization of this number. Divided by 2, 160. 80, 40, 20, 10, 5 is equal to, here 2 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 times and 5 is 1 times. This is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Therefore Therefore 15 by 1600 is terminating decimal expression. Okay, the next question 5. 23 by 2 to the power 29 by 343. 29 by 343. Now when you find HCF of 29 and 343, then you get in 1. Okay, so this rational number is in simplest form. Here Q is equal to 343. Now find prime factorization of 343. 7 divided by 7, then 7 4 28, 4 to 6, 7 9 is 63, 7 7 49 is equal to 7 to the power 3, because 7 here 7 is 3 times. So it does not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So this rational number is non-terminating repeating decimal. Next question number 6. 23 by 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. 23 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. Q is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 is equal to, this is the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. So this rational number is has terminating decimal. Question number 7. 129 by 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7, 7 to the power 5. One 129 by 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7, 7 to the power 5. Here Q is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 7 into 7 to the power 5 does not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So this number, this rational number is non-terminating repeating decimal. Question number 7. 6 by 15. Sorry. 5. Oh, sorry. This is the question number 6. This is question number 7. And this is question number 8. 6 by 15. 6 by 15. The HCF of 6 and 15 is 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. It's equal to 2 by 5. Okay. Here Q is equal to 5 is equal to 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 1 is equal to 2 to the power m into, in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So this is also terminating decimal. Question number 9. 35 by 50. 35 by 50. The HCF of 35 and by 50 is 5. 5 10 50. 5 7 35. 7 by 10. Here Q is equal to 10 is equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 2 into 2k power m into 5 to the power n. This is the form of 2k power m into 5 to the power n. So this is also terminating decimal. Question number 10. 77 by 210. 7 L 1773 2130. 11 by 30. Here Q is equal to 30 is equal to, the prime factorization of 30 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3. This is not equal to 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So this rational number will have non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. Question number 2. Write down the decimal expression of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expression. In question number 1, here, now see, question number 1, here question number 1 terminating decimal, 2 terminating decimal, question number 4 terminating decimal, question number 6 terminating decimal, question number 8 terminating decimal, question number 9 terminating decimal. These are terminating decimal. So now here write down the decimal expression of terminating decimal in question 1. Now question number 1 is a terminating decimal. Okay, so I find the decimal expression of this rational number. First, 13 by 3125. Okay, now I divide 13 by 3125. 125. Now here 3000, here 13. So I first put decimal, then here get a 10. Now this is 130 and this is 3125. So this is greater than 130. So again I put 0, then I also put 0. Now here this is also less than 3125. So again I put 10, then I put here also 0. Now 3 4s are 12. So in 4 times 0 0 5 12 0 0 5. Okay, again 0 here put, because we are putting decimal, so each and every step 0 is coming. Again 3 here 5000, here 3000, in 1 times 3125. Then I get 5 7 8 1. Again I put 0 and 3 6 are 18. So in 6 times 0 5 7 18, we are getting remainder 0. So the decimal expression is equal to 0.00416. to be putting before 0 of decimal, zero 0.0416 answer. Now question number 2 is also have terminating decimal, so I am getting decimal expression. Okay, question number 2, 17 by 8. Now I divide 17 by 8 to 16, 1 decimal 0 818 2 decimal 8 to 16 4 0.85 or 40. Now I am getting this remainder 0. So here 2.125. The decimal expression is equal to 2.125 answer. Again, question number 3 has non-terminating. Question number 4 has terminating decimal. Question number 4. 15 by 1600. First I simplify. 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 15, 116, 5 to 10 is equal to 3 by 320. Now 3 is divided by 320. Putting decimal, then I get 0, 0, again 0, again 0 and again 0. Okay. 3 9 27. So 0 8 28. 0 2 1. Putting 0 3 3 9, because 3 4 are triple pole are 12, so greater than 1200. 0 6 9. 0 4 2. Again putting 0 3 at 24, 3 7 21, 3 at 3 7 or 21. So 0 14 1 21 and 1 22. 0 6 1. Again 0 3 5 or 15 in 5 times. 0 0 3 5 15 1 16. Now I am getting remainder 0. So here the decimal expression is equal to, before putting 0, 0 is putting before decimal, so 0.009375 answer. Now the next 5 had non-terminating, 6 had also terminating decimal. Okay. 6. 23 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2 is equal to 23 by 5 2 to the power 2 to 4 4 to 8 5 5 are 25, 25 into 8 200. Now 23 is divided by 200. Putting decimal, then I get 0. 1 times 200. 30 0. 1 times 200. 1 0 2 5 are 10. 1000 is equal to 0.115 answer. Question 5. Question number 7 is also non-terminating repeating decimal. Question number 8 is terminating decimal. Okay. (6 by 15). Simplify first. 3 2 are 3 5 are 15. 2 by 5. Now I am divided 2 by 5. 0.4. 2 is divided by 5. Decimal is 5 4 or 20. Question number 9 is also terminating decimal. 37 by 50. 35 by 50. 3 7 are 35, 5 7 are 35, 5 10 are 50. 7 by 10, when I divided 7 by 10, getting 0.5, 0.7. 10 by 7.0770, 0.7 answer. 10 is non-terminating repeating decimal. So the question number 2 is in. Now question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expression as given below. In each case decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form p by q, what can you say about the prime factor of q? Now solution. 1. 43.123456789. Okay, now the rational number, any rational number have if you express any rational number in decimal expression, then you have two conditions. First, it is terminating, and second, non-terminating rational, non-terminating repeating decimal. Now here this is terminating, so this is a rational number. Second, if they are rational number and of the form p by q, what can you say about the prime factor of q? It means that this is the q is equal to the power m into 5 to the power n. When the rational number is terminating, then the prime factor of q is 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So we say that q is in the form of 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power n. Okay. Question number 2. 0.120120012001240 ... Now see this. This is not terminating and not non-terminating repeating decimal, because here 1 to 0, here 1 to 00, here 1 to 000, 1 to 40. It means that this is not repeating same number. Okay, so this is not a real number, not a real number. Sorry, not a rational number. This is a real number but not a rational number. Okay. Question number 3. 43.123456789 recurring. Recurring means this is non-terminating repeating number. Okay, so this is also rational number. Okay, here this is non-terminating rational number, so this is not q is not the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Okay, now the lesson is end. In next video we start the next chapter. That's all. Thank you. Good night.